Hi, hello guys! Welcome to my Buyaks TV channel. Today, we are going to discuss in connection with our last discussion, the present perfect tense. Now today, we are going to take up present perfect continuous or progressive tense. Remember, don't forget, when we say tense, it denotes time. No? So it denotes time. Now, not only in English also, in English also, we use what we call formula. We have a formula to follow. So not only in mathematics, we have a formula. We have also in English. Okay? So in present perfect progressive tense or continuous tense, we have a formula. Okay? Subject followed by has or have, followed by been, and followed by verb in the ing form. Okay, I repeat. Subject has or plus has or have plus been plus verb in the ing form. Okay. Example. Let us use the name of Ma'am Dena. Okay. Dena has been studying. Dena has been studying for the exam since last week. All right. Then has, Dena, singular. So therefore, we will use has plus been plus study, and then we add ing, and that is already what we call present progressive or continuous tense. Dina has been studying for the exam since last week. Okay? So, that is how you're going to use has. For the have, okay, so have, remember that in using have, the subject must be plural. Okay, example. The students have been receiving guidance from their parents since early childhood. The students have been receiving guidance from their parents since early childhood. Alright, why we use have? We use have because children is plural subject. So you will use have. Then been, then receive verb, nilalagyan lang natin ng ing, naging receiving. So yan ang wastong paggagamit ng tinatawag nating present perfect progressive. Lalagyan lang natin ng has or have plus been plus verb in the ing form. Kung singular yung subject natin, has ang gagamitin plus been plus verb in the ing. Kapag ang subject natin ay plural, nilalagyan lang natin o ginagamitan lang natin ng have plus been plus verb in the ing form. No? So, yun. It is very easy, my dear friends, in using the what we call present perfect progressive or continuous tense. Okay? So, maraming salamat po sa iyong pakikinig. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Once again, good day and mabuhay.